Okay, hi, classmates and tutor. My name is Catalina Saa Montes, course English Phonetic, Tax 4, Supraxamentals, Group 48. Okay, the first sentence, syllabic stress. Okay, the pronunciation of the sentence is the airplane tacks down the runway before taking off. The second sentence, word stress. The pronunciation of the sentence is the airplane circled around the airport, we impatient to receive permission to land. Finally, text syllabic stress and word stress. Okay, start. The moon is barren. Rocky water without air and water. It has a dark lava plain on its surface. The moon is filled with craters. It has no light of its own. It gets its light from the sun. The moon keeps changing its shape as it moves around the earth. Thank you.